Good morning, Mop and Panthers. This is Miss W. This week, our theme is hibernation. Hibernation is a way that animals deal with the harshness of winter. They curl up in a safe place and stay there till winter ends. That means they are sleeping, boys and girls. Hibernation animals seem almost dead. They barely breathe, and their body temperature is near the freezing mark. In warmer weather, they return to their regular activities. Animals that hibernate are called hibernators. They include bats, hedgehogs, squirrels, groundhogs, and marmots. But the animal that is most thought of when hibernating is a bear. Bears go to sleep in the winter and they hibernate. This week, our story is about a bear. This story is called Bear Snores On, and it is written by Karma Wilson. The story is about hibernation. Hibernation is when animals, like the bear, go to sleep for the winter. The first thing you will need to do is click on this arrow and watch the story, Bear Snores On. After you watch the story, you're going to look at this slide. Now, your learning target, which means this is what I want you to learn, I can follow the sequence of a story. That means that you can follow how the story begins, what happens in the middle of the story, and what happens at the end. So in the first slide, there is a question, and it asks, at the beginning of this story, which animal is sleeping? Drag the picture of that animal to the yellow box. So, there is a dinosaur, a bear, and a cat. Which one of these animals is sleeping at the beginning of your story? You will click on the animal that you think and you will drag it to the box, the yellow box. After you do that, please go to your next slide. The next question will ask what happened in the middle of our story. What was happening in the middle of the story while Bear was sleeping? Drag the picture to the yellow box. So look at these pictures and what was happening while Bear was sleeping? Once again, you're going to need to click on a picture and drag it over to the yellow box. You need to decide what was happening while Bear was sleeping. The next slide asks, what happens at the end of our story? What happened at the end of the story to Bear? What happened to Bear? Drag the correct picture to the yellow box. So, did Bear sleep at the end of the story? Or did Bear wake up at the end of the story. This is a bear that's awake, and this is a bear that's awake. You need to drag one of those pictures over to the yellow box. Now you have finished your assignment. After you fill out those 3 slides, you may submit your work. Have a great day. So when you get to the end here, you will have completed slide 6, slide 5, and slide 4. Only after you finish those slides will you be ready to submit your work. Have a great day. I will place these directions at the beginning of your assignment, and please come to the Panther Cub House at 3 o'clock every day next week, Monday through Thursday. You may come for help, and I will be glad to get on the Google Meet with you in the Panther Cub House and help you complete this assignment. Thank you, kindergarten. You have a fabulous day.